Deciphering, mistrust. What does it mean? Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, mistrust. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, usage, and why it's an essential term to add to your vocabulary. Mistrust is a noun that describes a feeling of doubt or suspicion about someone's honesty, reliability, or ability. It's when you lack confidence in someone or something. Think of it as the opposite of trust. Example 1. After the news of the scandal broke out, there was a lot of mistrust towards the company. Example 2. Jane's constant lies caused her friends to have mistrust in her. Not only is mistrust a noun, but it's also a verb. When you mistrust someone, you doubt their honesty or reliability. Example: I started to mistrust him when he broke his promise multiple times. You might be wondering about another similar term, distrust. While both convey a lack of trust, there's a subtle difference. Mistrust often implies a general feeling of doubt or suspicion. Distrust is typically more specific, referring to a particular reason or event that caused the lack of trust. Example: she had a general mistrust of strangers, but her distrust for John was because of a past incident. Now, let's see how you can use mistrust in everyday conversations. 1. When discussing feelings, I have a deep mistrust of people who don't look me in the eye when speaking. 2. Referring to societal issues, mistrust in the government has grown over the years. 3. Talking about relationships, their friendship suffered because of the mistrust between them. Understanding the meaning and usage of mistrust is crucial in various situations, be it personal relationships, societal discussions, or simply in your day-to-day conversations. We hope this video has shed light on the term and will help you use it with confidence. Happy learning, and remember, trust is precious, so understand its opposites well.